Did you know that before taking office, many presidents worked as lawyers, but they're not the legal counsel for the United States? That's where the Attorney General comes in. Originally conceived as a part-time position by Congress when it passed the Judiciary Act of 1789, the first to hold the post of Attorney General, Edmund Jennings Randolph, spent some of his time advising the president on legal matters, and the rest? Well, doing other 18th century things. In time, though, it became clear that the job was much bigger than anyone had anticipated. The most significant change came almost 100 years later in 1870 with the founding of the Department of Justice to enforce federal law, ensure the fair and impartial administration of justice, and punish those guilty of federal crimes. Today, as the head of the DOJ, the AG isn't responsible for just advising the president on legal matters, but the entire U.S. government. So what fills up the to-do list? How about launching a federal initiative to combat hate crimes? Or investigating wire fraud? Or fighting identity theft? All in a good day's work, right? To date, there have been over 80 attorney generals and counting, each with stories. Like Harry M. Daugherty, President Warren Harding's attorney general who resigned in the wake of a bribery scandal in 1924. And Elliot Richardson, who was asked by President Richard Nixon to fire Watergate Special Prosecutor Archibald Cox in 1973, but refused and resigned from his post instead. William French Smith, on the other hand, put forward Sandra Day O'Connor to the president, and she became the first female Supreme Court justice. The appointment of attorney generals today better reflects the diversity of the U.S. Janet Reno, the first woman, Alberto Gonzalez, the first Latino, and Eric H. Holder Jr., the first African American. In what ways has the Attorney General's job changed over time?